In this video, I will show you how you can apply bottom border in Excel and how you can change the color of the bottom border. A very simple and very pretty straightforward method. What you need to have to do, for example, you have to apply a bottom border here. And then under the home tab, you can see that drop down border. Here you need to click. There are two options here. First is the bottom border, which is the thin line, and the second is the thick bottom border. So here I am applying thick bottom border. Click on that, and here you can see that the border is applied here. And if you want to change the color, just select the entire row again, and under the bottom drop down menu, you need to click on the line color. And here, if you want to change and pick the colors, I am picking the green color. And then you have to click on the thick bottom border, and you can see that the color of the border is changed. So if you want to remove this border, then again select the entire row, and then under border you need to select no border, and the border is removed. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you think the video is supportive, then please support my channel. Thanks for watching.